Hello dear students, this week you're going to learn about abstract art in style of S.H. Raza. So this is how he used to paint. So first I'm going to draw border to my page. You can leave at least 2 centimeter border from all the 4 sides. You can divide it the way you want. I'm using a rounder to make the circle. You can, if you don't have rounder, you can use different lids of bottle to make the circle. So basically I'm going to use basic geometrical shapes which Raza used to use, like triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Raza also used to use all vibrant colors. So if you see, he used to use yellow, orange, red, blue, and each color has some meaning. Like yellow used to depict sun, blue used to depict sky, white used to depict air. So like that he has some meaning behind each and every color. So in my design I am going to use right hand side all cool colors and left hand side all warm colors. Again I am repeating, you can do the way you want it. Your design can vary from mine. You don't have to copy what I have done. You can draw as many triangles as you want, as many squares, as many circles, but try to use all bright colors in this. Go through some more designs on net of Raja painting and do it in your style. See now, here I am using poster colors. You have to be very careful. Your color consistency should be like cream. It should not be like water. There should be less water and more color. Ensure your brush is not dry at any point of time. There's enough water in that. And do it slowly. Don't be in a hurry. To tell more about Raza, Raza was born in a village of Madhya Pradesh and from a young age was drawn to art. Although he lived much of his life in France, his works were inspired by Indian religious imagery and philosophical concepts, including the Panchatattva, 5 elements of nature, and the Bindu, the dot or the epic center. Not only did his color palette borrow from India, but he also started inscribing Sanskrit prayers, chants, Urdu, and Hindi verses into his canvas. Raza perceived the Bindu as the center of all creation and existence, stating that Bindu is a source of energy, source of life. Life begins here, attains infinity here. Interestingly, Raza's art and creation also began with the Bindu. Because of that, you can see even I have done Bindu in my painting. You can have as many Bindu as you want in your painting. So try to use all primary colors like red, yellow and blue shades in this. If you don't want to do this activity with poster colors, you can use crayon colors and do it. But see to that your color doesn't go out, and try to keep it simple with all geometrical shapes like triangle, circle, square, rectangle. Please be creative and do Raja's painting in your style. Thank you.